Yeah, thank you very much, gentlemen. We just finished the National Executive Committee meeting of the party, and the meeting went quite well. Every member of NEC that needed to be here were all present. It was a very short meeting, and it was a very simple meeting. Some key decisions were reached. One of the key conclusions of the NEC meeting is to accept the report of the Committee on Manifesto, Policy and Manifesto Committee. The report that was been submitted to the National Working Committee was formally presented to the National Executive Committee of the party, and the NEC received those reports, which will now go to the National Convention on the 14th. And that is the two reports, the report of the Policy and Manifesto Committee, which articulates the policy position of the party, and the report of the Constitutional Review Committee. Secondly, the NEC of the party approved the dates for the congresses, the polling unit and the world congresses. The polling unit and the world congresses will come up on the 7th. The local government congresses will come up on the 9th. The state congresses will come up on the 11th, and the National Convention on the 14th. Already the guidelines for these congresses have been published, and the forms have been distributed across the country, so all members will receive them, and those who are aspiring to contest for various positions of the party will have the opportunity to do so. The NEC meeting we had today was fully attended by members, like I said. It was attended by representatives from the Independent National Electoral Commission, and everything went, and all the chairman's memo were duly approved and ratified by NEC. The polling unit at World Congresses on the 7th, the local government congress on the 11th, and on the 9th. Sorry, on the 9th, the local government congress on the 9th, the state congresses on the 11th, and the National Convention here in Abuja on the 14th. Yes, the convention committee has been set up. The National Organizing Secretary will have that information. The National Convention is for the purpose of ratifying earlier decisions that have been taken. It's not an elective convention per se. It's not to elect new officers of the party, and it's not primaries. It's to ratify the positions that have been taken by NEC and the NWCs. So it's not to elect new officers of the party, and it's not to elect candidates for the party. The congresses is to elect new officers at the polling unit level, at the ward level, at the local government level, and at the state level. And the nomination fees, the expression of interest fees, have been duly stated. To ratify all the decisions that have been taken by the previous NEC and by the NWC from the last convention and leading up to the next convention. Every decision that has been taken by the National Working Committee and the NEC of the party in between the last convention will be ratified at the next convention.